Hi, today's video regarding HP OfficeJet 3833 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges. So switch on the printer, press the power button on. Now once it is on, then we will open the front chamber. Also take the ink cartridges out of the packing, remove the seals from their print heads, and like this you can open the main chamber, and there is another door behind it. Open that. Now the ink cartridges chamber will move and come here. Now install the color ink cartridge on the color side and black on the black side. Just slide it in and push it inside. It will lock itself and you will hear a sound when it locks there. And that's like this. And now do it for the color ink cartridge as well. Push it in and it will lock itself there. Now close the ink cartridge chamber. If it's prints a page like for the scanning, then you can just take and scan. Otherwise you are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.